Hello everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you some of the local byways. We recently had two friends that we haven't actually seen for about 7 or 8 years come down to visit us all the way from Essex, which was fantastic. Daryl and Kayla, so thanks for coming down guys. I tell you what, I'm still smiling about it. But yeah, we took them out off-roading, showed them some of the local byways that you can go up with your off-roader. So I thought I'd share the GoPro footage with you guys just to let you see what we got up to. I hope you enjoy. Let us know by hitting a like and subscribe if you do, and keep watching.
But then if
Yeah,
it's
where we
personal,
going? Down there.
extra place, it'll take 1 or 2. Yeah.
Well, this is fun.
Personal, eh?
This is the most fun I've had all year.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm glad I didn't know if it'd be a bit boring for you or not. I thought,
Well, she picks up her speed pretty quick, doesn't she?
yeah, it's not bad.
Down, girl. Down.
Bastard.
Oh, that fucking handbrake's non-existent, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
I'm still driving then.
Yeah, you can still drive for a bit. That's it, we haven't finished it yet.
That's good.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and it may have helped a couple of you out. If so, don't forget to let us know by hitting a like and a subscribe below this video. And also don't forget that we are not just on YouTube, but we are on other social media platforms as well. So have a look and check us out there for little sneak peeks. I shall see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more content and don't forget that notification bell to keep you up to date. Thanks guys. See you again soon.